What's up, my royal flush? It is I, Jet Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be having my niece, Sakaya, say hi. Get down so they can say hi. My niece, Sakaya, she's going to be doing my makeup, and I'm like, okay. I was like, I don't know, your feet cold. Are you okay? Nobody has not really ever done my makeup. Nope, nobody really has ever done my makeup besides myself, of course. And so I'm just like, it would be kind of fun and crazy if she did my makeup, you know, just, you know, for fun, you know. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you will not be disappointed. And also hit that notification bell right after that to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, and with that, go ahead hit that like button and let's just get into this video. Started off, already had her do her own makeup, and I kind of coached her through it just so she can get the feel. And also she watched a couple of my videos as well to see what I use and different stuff like that. We're not doing eyeshadow, we're not doing lashes, we're just doing mascara, and we're not about to do my eyebrows like I usually do. She'll probably just go lightly fill them in with a pencil or something. So yeah, come on, Sakaya.
We're using this Melange concealer. No.
We're loud in our family, Sakaya. Come on, you need to speak louder.
I'm using this Melange brand concealer.
This is Milani.
Foundation.
Milani.
Oh, Milani or knee or this foundation.
Don't be scared. So y'all, why our cat last night was freaking hanging out with this possum, y'all? It was like on the front porch. First of all, it was a fat ass possum. The possum was big as heck. Like, it was really big. And I think it probably just got woken up because in Michigan lately it's been kind of warm these last couple of days. I guess it was fat because it was like during, like, in hibernation and whatnot. So I guess it got woken up because of the warm weather. So it's probably thinking that it's spring, but really it's actually in the middle of winter. It's crazy. I'm like, what the hell? This possum is fat as hell. So I got my other niece, Destiny, Sakaya's sister. I was like, oh my god, look at that thing. And she was like, she was about to freaking pass out. I also did her makeup on my channel as well. Y'all can hit that little eye up there to watch that. Yeah, so she was like literally right there, like just screeching, like silently screeching, because I was literally over there like in the living room. I'm just laying there. I'm just like, what the hell is that crunching sound? My nephew Devon was like cracked up, like not cracked up, but knocked out on the freaking floor. Our video will be up soon as well. Like, we just haven't, like, we work so much because we're both full-time, so like our schedules have not intercrossed. But tomorrow he's off and I'm off this whole entire weekend, so we will definitely record tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm just like, wow. And then I'm just like, what the hell? I try to wake him up and he's not moving at all. It's like, wow, this big ass possum. So while me and my niece Destiny are standing there, we just right there, we just like, we talking about it and whatnot. So I open up, crack the window a little bit. Mind you, our cat is out there. Our cat is out there just chilling with this thing. And I crack the window a little bit and I scream a little bit, like, ah, like to try to scare it. And the fact, like, it scared me more because it was not scared by me screaming at it. And it was just so scary, like, for real, y'all. It's crazy. And then this morning, Sakaya wanted to let the cat in so bad, even though I told her that she was just, our cat was basically, which was kind of weird. I'm just like, wow, this cat is really like just cuddling up with this freaking possum, and it's not even like scared. Like, usually cats and possums usually be fighting all the time, but it was not. It was crazy, y'all. It really was. I'm like, wow. I'm just like, wow, y'all. Like, it was crazy. And then she let it in. Then my brother came home, and I told my brother what happened, like my older brother, Sakaya and my niece Destiny's father. And he came in, he was like, what? And then like he told her to go hurry up and wash her hands because that cat was cuddling up with that freaking possum. It was crazy, y'all. Are you done with foundation? Let me know when you think you're done. You done? Okay. So what's next? Let them know what you're using.
I'm using this ColourPop concealer.
Okay. How do I put on my concealer? Y'all, she don't watch my videos. She don't know what I be doing. I tried to show her some of my videos, but having her do it her way.
I'm using this Patrick Star setting powder that he usually uses.
You sure you need all this powder? What you describe? What you doing?
Brushing the powder off.
Okay.
And making sure it looks neat. I'm using this prime to spray his face.
You too close. We doing just some light brows today?
I guess. I mean, see? Close your eyes.
What is you doing? Contour? Okay. Where you putting the contour? All over my face?
Bronzer. These two colors. This peachy color and...
What you about to do next? What you about to use that for?
I'm going to use it for up this way.
What is it called?
It's called bronzer.
What you doing? Bronzing?
Yeah. It's time for the peach blush. Get on with the pinkness. So, we're using this Spotlight Highlight 6 color palette, but I'm not using these two colors. I'm not using these two colors, these two, but I'm using this outer color, this dream color, this red
Radiance.
and this vivid, and I'm gonna mix it.
You patting it in? Huh?
Yeah, I'm putting it on, but I'm gonna make sure I blend it. It looks shiny. Oops. I mean,
You want me to be blind then, don't you?
no.
Dang, you trying to make me kill people today by blinding them. Tell them what you're doing.
Making sure there's not too much of the highlight.
Okay. I'm looking cute, pretty okay in the monitor, y'all. I haven't looked at myself up close. There, what is that for?
Lips.
That's not lipstick, that's concealer.
This concealer,
Yeah, it is.
it says Wonder Cover.
It's concealer. I'm going to Los Angeles soon. I'm going there to visit. Y'all, I might be there for Gem Beauty, LA, in May. What days? Those are 2 days. Oh, I need to take those days off now. What kind of lipstick is that?
It is. It don't show. Look at the back. It says Aged Rose. Aged Rose lipstick.
That is the Ruby Kisses Forever Matte Concealer, by the way. But go ahead. And Aged Rose.
Wait, this concealer?
I mean lipstick. Go ahead. She clocked me, y'all. So y'all know Aged Rose used to be my junk. This used to be the only lipstick I used.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Look
It's a
alright.
nice color, but it don't really go with the style.
Do you think you done?
One thing I need to do. Wait.
Do you think you're done? That's all you gotta say. Yes or no.
I think I'm done.
Okay, y'all. So she's done. She says she's done. Stand up so they can see you. So come on. So she says she's done, and so I'm about to juiced. Okay, wow. I'm about to just critique how it looks. So let me see. Okay. So my eyebrows look good. My skin, like, you can definitely see my texture. This lipstick was not a good choice. It looks more purple, which is weird. I don't know. Looks purple. My pores are definitely showing, y'all. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to wipe this crap off because it just looks terrible. I love my niece, but it just, no, Kaya, no. So I guess that concludes today's video, wow, guys. And I will see you guys in my next video.